I identified a bug in sign up route that we could work in fixing. This bug would appear if the backend responded with an error. So this email is already in the database and we shouldn't be able to submit it. So the backend will respond with an error that the email already exists. But even if we try to change this email to Yusuf 12, for example, we couldn't submit because this reCAPTCHA need to be resettled. So the CAPTCHA is not working. So what should we do? So right now we are checking here in the inner form if there is an error called reCAPTCHA expired, and if it is there, we reset the instance. But the issue is that we are not setting this reCAPTCHA expired right here. So if there is an error right here, we should use the function setErrors by formic and set this error that we have agreed to have an inner form with true. So let us test what will happen now. So this has been resetted, so we could easily change what we want to submit. And this would probably work. Okay, awesome. So let us commit these changes into a new branch. We could call this branch E03 private route.